Hello guys, my name is Truststan. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys some YouTube secret feature. Did I just say secret? Oh yes, it's secret because not everyone that knows it, but if you already know it, it's no longer a secret. But to so many people, it's still a secret. Alright. This secret feature actually is just a very simple stuff, which is actually simple to me because I already know it. But since you don't know, it's going to be a secret to you. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add this particular feature on your YouTube channel. Let me open up my channel. All right. Do you guys know that this is a YouTube channel? Although apart from my this application which I've installed here, which is showing me statistics, then every other thing, you guys should have figured out that this is a YouTube channel, but it actually looks different, which is actually a dark theme version of YouTube. So YouTube actually included this version a year ago, or actually December. So many people don't know how to use it. I'm going to show you guys how to use this. All right, if you're on YouTube right now the way I am, all you have to do is just click on this icon button here that shows your profile image. Go ahead and click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it's loaded up, you can just locate just below the sign out area. You're going to see this option that says dark theme on. So go ahead and click on it to toggle it back, and then you can notice that I could actually adjust this button right here, so to put it back to the left area, and then it's going to turn to the default YouTube color. This is actually the default YouTube color, and then you can see everything the way you want, but I actually prefer the dark one. It gives me a more subtle color. So this is more like what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do, and which I've just did. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel to get more of my video. All right, I love this feature.